Hey guys, wanted to just show you a quick little video on a do-it-yourself saddle hunting platform I made. I took an old API tree stand that I had and modified it. I cut the height down, took the seat off of it, and installed a Lone Wolf Versa button. Also put stealth strips around it and got some 8mm accessory cord. Bought it right on Amazon. It's really cheap. Total amount of money that I have invested in this thing, I probably got about, I don't know, maybe $30 invested in it with the stealth strips and the accessory cord, the Versa button. And I took an old retired API aluminum stand, took the cables off, put some stops in here. Basically what I did was I bolted a piece of the metal that I had cut off up here. I had some extra metal, put it on down here, threw a bolt through it, and now that acts as a stop. So when it closes up, it's going to hit the stop, and then that's what's going to keep the platform horizontal for me. Thought that was better than trying to continue to utilize the cables because they kind of end up being in the way. And it's very, very light. It's pretty quiet. It's not as going to be as good with side pressure as a Predator platform, or this might even be better if you had another type of strapping where you can really cinch down on it. I'm using this accessory cord just because it's real easy. So it's just, you know, one of the things too is I had to modify an existing tree stand. This thing is no longer, you know, it doesn't meet any requirements or whatever to hold you up in a tree like your normal tree stand does. I mean, you know, it will, but you know, I've modified an original design. So what's keeping me safe is not this platform. What's keeping me safe is my saddle. That's what's keeping me in the tree. It's keeping me safe. All this is for now is to make it a little bit more comfortable so that I have a platform to put my feet on. And I just wanted to throw it out there so that you know, it might inspire any of you guys that want to get creative with some old tree stand platforms that you have. You might be able to do something similar and come up with something good where it'll save you some money. I bet you I've got a total, you know, the stealth strips, between the stealth strips, the accessory cord and everything, I don't know, somewhere between $20 and $30 I've got invested in this thing. You know, if you were to go out and buy a Predator platform, I think they're going for around $180. I'm going to go ahead and buy one eventually when I got a little bit of extra money, but you know, I like to tinker around. I see a lot of other guys like to do the same, so just want to, you know, give you a little bit of inspiration on this, and you know, maybe you can come up with something just as good or better with what you've got laying around. So just going to show you how this folds up nice and neat. It's very light. I wrap the rope around it. I can stick this right in my pack. It weighs virtually nothing. I'll bet you this thing is, I should weigh it, but it's got to be maybe 3 pounds, something like that. It's just made of aluminum, so. All right, that's all I got for you. Hope you're inspired.